Hello everybody, this is the Thetutkid, and today I'm going to be starting my web development series. I'm going to be focusing mainly on HTML, CSS, PHP, and jQuery in these tutorials. Now you're going to sit there and think, what are all these tutorials, or what are all these languages? Hopefully you've at least gotten an idea and know what they are. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which don't let that confuse you or anything. It's one of the easiest languages to learn outside of CSS. HTML is the basis of what every website is built with, so it's definitely a powerful tool to know how to use in web development or web designing, as HTML and CSS are professionally referred to as web design. PHP, oh god, I can't even, it's a reverse acronym. I can't think of what it is off the top of my head. But it's a called a programming language. So you use values or inputs to build something else, and it uses those languages. Don't worry about it right now. In jQuery, which is actually not a language, it's a library for JavaScript, which hopefully you've gotten those pop-ups. JavaScript maybe is not always safe. Those little pop-ups you get from Internet Explorer. So jQuery is the easier part of JavaScript. I don't actually know much JavaScript. I usually use just jQuery. So that's the basis of web development. So I'm going to talk to you about now is the program we're going to be using for HTML and CSS for our web design. And I'm going to be using Notepad++. Notepad++ is, in my idea, the easiest and generally the best website. As far as building a website, it's the best program. I like it. I love it. There's tons of different programs. If you just searched web development or web design program or something like that, you would come across literally hundreds. The key things you have to look for are color coding, lines, and all the different languages it can run. Notepad++ comes with, I think, like over 100 predefined languages it knows that it can check through. If you just look, there's literally 100 there. Well, not 100, but there's a lot. And then it also comes with different plugins you can download from their website that people have made. So if we you can find the one that works for you, but I recommend personally Notepad++. There will be a link to the download, and it is free. Don't worry. So yeah, that is what I think I'm going to cut with this first tutorial. It's a lot to look at as far as what you're thinking that right now, probably that it's just something ridiculous that you have never heard about. But honestly, once you start learning about it, it gets a lot easier, and you'll learn that all those movies, like Hollywood movies and stuff, lie. This is literally very simple piece of cake stuff, which is why many people can do it. So yeah, I'll stop the video here, and we'll get on to the next tutorial.